Hi guys, so today I am going to show you how to carve a pumpkin. Hi guys, so today I am going to show you how to carve a pumpkin. Hey guys, so here's how to carve a pumpkin. So I'm just going to draw a circle around here. That's one of the steps. And it has to be not too big, not too small. So it's perfect space for your jack-o'-lantern and your pumpkin. There. And next is to cut all around the pumpkin. Okay, so next step, you need to pull this out and then take something to scoop with and scoop the stuff inside of it out of it. So I am going to begin drawing my creeper. Okay, so this is what you do now. So you draw out the shape you want. And then you have to cut it out. Next, you have to push these things out. I kind of missed it. And you have your first hole in the pumpkin. And just keep on doing that to all the other parts of the pumpkin. Hey guys, so I just finished carving this pumpkin. Here are the parts that I carved out. So this is a creeper from the game of Minecraft. So it is almost Halloween, so I made this. The pieces. Here are the pieces. And here's the lid of the pumpkin. And here are the tools. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and happy Halloween.